Hello students, today we see decimal representation of rational numbers from lesson first, rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form m upon n, where m and n are the integers and n is non-zero integer. Then we convert 22 upon 7 in decimal form. Here we divide in simple division, that is 22 divide 7. Here we divide 22 by 7. 7 3s are 21. Therefore we write here 21. Here subtraction is simple. Here 1, here 0. Then numbers are completed, or there is no number after 22. Therefore we write here point. Here also write point. Then we take number of zeros from after point. Then here write 0. 7 ones are 7. Here 10 minus 7, that is 3. Then again we take 0 from above. 7 4s are 28. Here write 28. 30 minus 28, that is 2. Then again we take 0 from above. 7 2s are 14. Here 20 minus 14, that is 6. Then write here 0. Then again take 0. Then write here 60. 7 8s are 56. Then here 50 60 minus 56, that is 4. Then write here 0 again. Then 7 5s are 35. Here remainder is 5. Then again we take 0. Write 0 here. 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 1. Then from this 1, remainder 1, again we divide like this. Here remainder is 1. Then we write the quotient as 1. Then again 4. Same as we after this division is start, and these numbers comes again, and therefore 22 upon 7 is equal to 3.14285 and so on. That's why this group is repeat again and again. Therefore we write here recurring sign, or write like this: 3.14285 14285 and dot dot, recurring sign, or write dot dot. Then next example is 9 upon 37. Here again simple division: 9 divided by 37. 9 is not divided by 37, therefore write in quotient, that is 0. Then write here point. Here write also point. Then 37, therefore write here 0. Then 9 as it is. Then we take 0. Here write also 0. Then 37, look here, 37 2s are, this is rough work, 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7, 74. Therefore write here 2. Then 74 minus 0 minus 4, that is 6. Here 1 and here also 1. Then again take 1 0. Therefore here 0. Then look, 37 3s are, 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, that is 11. There is difference. Therefore we check 37 into 4. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2, 4 threes are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Therefore here write 4, 148. Here minus 0 minus 8, 2, here 1, 6 minus 5, that is 1, and here 0. Then again write here 0 from above. Then here 120. There look here we find 37 threes are. Therefore write here 3. 111. Then minus 0 minus 1, that is 9. Here 0. Here 0. Then here 9 repeat. Therefore this division repeat again and again, and therefore answer of 9 upon 37 is 0.243 dot dot, and this 243 recurring, therefore we write answer like this. Then next example is 9 upon 14. Look here. Here we divide 9 by 14. You know table of 14. Then 9 is not divided by 14. Therefore write 0 also. Here point also. Here point also. Here write 0. 9 as it is. Then we take 0 from above. Then here 90. 14. 14 6 are 84. Here 6, here 0. Then we take 0 from above. Then 60. 14 4s are 56. Here look 4. Here 0. Here write 0 again. 14 2s are. Look here 0 minus 8, that is 2, minus 1, that is. Then again we take 0. 14 8s are 112. Then here 0 minus 2, that is 8. Carry 1 0. Here write 0 from above. 14 5s are 70. Here 0 1. Then we again take 0 from above. 14 7s are 98. That is true. Here 0. Then again take 0 from above. 14 1s are 14. Here 0 minus 4, that is 6. Here 0. Look here, 6 is remainder in the above, that is 6. That is from this division repeat again. Means here group is 6 4 4 2 8 5 7 1. Group is repeat again and again, and therefore 9 upon 14 equal to 0.6428571, and 42857 group is again and again, therefore it write as recurring form.